Hey you guys, what's going on? Welcome, my name is Shaquan and I'm the trading educator here at SLFX Trading, and in today's video I am going to be breaking down two currency pairs that I'm going to help you guys set up for the near future. So those two currency pairs that we're going to be breaking down today is going to be USD JPY and USD Swiss CHF. So before we get into the video, you guys, I want you guys to know that I am using Tradingview.com to look at my price charts. You guys, Tradingview is an all-in-one platform that you can use for free, and you can upgrade as you go for more features, more chart layouts, more alerts, just more of everything as you're using the platform. To me, it's easier to customize the MetaTrader 4. You can create multiple watch lists, you can have multiple chart layouts going, so you don't need multiple screens. And you guys, it's just an all-in-one platform that you can live trade from and demo trade from all in one without having to leave your computer or use your phone if you don't like using your phone. So if that is something that you are interested in, make sure you click the link below to sign up to TradingView for free. So let's go ahead and let's get into the video. So let's pay attention to USD JPY. So if we take a look at what's going on here with USD JPY, what I want you guys to pay attention to is the direction of movement. So for most of 2020, we were actually selling off on this pair, right? Especially as a swing trader who looks at higher time frames, right? So I look at monthly, weekly, and daily time frame. And what we'll notice here is something significant happened. So if I just scroll to the left just a little bit, what you guys are going to notice is that the last lower high was at 103.923. Then price made a new higher high at 104.422. Now price pushed down and made a low at 103.339. But now what has happened is price has now passed 104.422. What this now means is that there is more of a demand for the dollar over the yen at the current moment. So what does that mean for us? That means that now we don't really want to become the sellers overall. Now, right now, we want to become the buyers, but we don't want to buy now because we don't want to buy too high. Because if price pulls back, if price retraces, what we want to do is buy at a better price. So the way we're going to set this up is we're actually going to wait for a pullback. And this is to my personal zones. And this is called market structure, right? Market structure, or the structure that you place at a market price, right, which is the exchange rates that you're hoping price in this example is going to stay above. We're hoping that price can pull back to allow us to buy at a better price. And the price that you want to buy above is going to be above 103.339, because as long as price stays above that price and it shows us or gives us bullish momentum or bullish confirmation, we're going to be able to buy higher. But we got to wait to see where price wants to go, where it's going to land, and then where it's going to pull back. So this is going to help you guys set up a trade for the future. By doing this, what you're doing is you're setting up the trade. So when it's ready to trade this pair, you don't have to come back and analyze it again, and it shall only take you a few minutes to enter this trade, you guys. This is how I'm able to help traders create 15-minute trading days, because we set the trades up early on in the week, and then we just wait for it to play out. So I already have an alert set here. I actually have an alert set around 103.900, because if price pulls back, and this is the deepest extension that I want to see price pull back to. If price pulls back, what I don't want to do is give energy to this pair at the moment. I've already analyzed it, but it's not at my structural point. So what I do is I say, hey, you guys, let's create an alert here, and then we'll be alerted once price is there, so we can go ahead and enter the trade for the future. So that is USD JPY. Do you guys see anything that is similar? Well, if you noticed it, we'll look at the exchange rates again. 0.89187, 0.89270. You guys, this is doing the exact same thing that USD JPY is doing. Now, keep in mind that USD JPY and USD Swiss are both major currency pairs, right? The only difference is that they both have different quote pairs or different currencies that they're pit against. So they're going to move different in values. But this is setting up to almost look the same as USD JPY. The difference is this one is just a little bit closer to my potential market structure that I have. And this is where I'm estimating price, can pull back to. And it could pull back a little deeper. And so for me, what I am wanting to see is if price can typically stay above 0.89382 overall. What we're wanting to do is we want price to pull back so that we can buy at a better price. Because if we can buy at a better price, you guys, what it does is it eliminates drawdown. It gives us a really great risk to reward, and that is what we're looking for. We're looking for a risk to reward that will allow us to buy and make more than what we are going to potentially be losing as far as the stop loss goes. So you guys, these are the two currency pairs that I want to keep you guys updated on. Now, if you remember, I actually did a video on USD Swiss and Euro USD a couple weeks ago, and I'll drop those down below because USD Swiss actually went to the upside as expected. And at the moment, Euro USD is actually going down as expected. Okay, so hopefully you guys were able to take advantage of those two currencies. We set those up already a couple weeks ago. And I just want to update you guys on the movement and the potential that these two pairs can have for us in the future. So make sure you guys, go and analyze this for how you analyze the price charts. See if you can see the similar movement. See if you can understand, okay, it's going up, it made a new high, okay, that's the higher low, and then just see if you can observe this using what you use to as far as your structures go as well. So you guys keep in mind, I'm not asking you guys to trade like me. I'm not asking you guys to have the same setup as me or even trade the way I trade or even the time frames, you guys. What I'm asking you guys to do is, as you see the move plays out, as you understand the more of the lingo, the more of where price can go, these are great opportunities for you to set up so that you can get in later, thus creating a 15-minute trading day. So you don't have to keep coming to your price chart. You don't have to keep stalking your price chart. You get to actually go and spend time doing other things, and you get to just let this kind of linger, let this run a little bit, let it get some steam, so that when it's time to execute, you know when to come back. Set alerts if you have to. Do whatever you have to say, hey, I know I'm ready. This thing is ready for it to go. I'm not going to waste energy on it. You get to go and live life and do something else. Okay. So with that being said, you guys, I pray you guys have a great trading week. I pray you guys have a safe trading week. And remember, let the trades come to you. Don't force the trades. Okay. So with that being said, you guys, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.